Looking for the ultimate way to stream your favorite shows and movies? In this video, we're diving into the best TV streaming devices of the year. From lightning-fast performance to crystal-clear 4K quality, we'll break down the top options that bring endless entertainment right to your screen. Whether you're into Netflix, gaming, or live TV, there's something here for everyone. Ready to upgrade your streaming game? Let's get started. Number 1. Roku Streaming Stick 4K. Roku has several good devices available, but the streaming sticks have long been our top pick. They're affordable, small, fast, and come with a longer range wireless receiver. They also plug right into your TV's HDMI port, so you won't see them dangling. This one comes with a voice remote, so you can hold the microphone button to ask it to play specific shows. Roku's interface isn't the most polished of our picks, but it's the easiest to navigate, whether you're tech-savvy or not. It's not cluttered or overwhelming, with a simple home screen where all your favorite apps live. Voice search makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for across platforms. Number 2. Google TV Streamer. Google's latest high-end streaming device is no surprise, our favorite ever, 8/10 Wired recommends. Gone are the days of stuttering screens and apps that sometimes crashed on prior Chromecast models. Here to stay is Dolby Vision support, thread router features that let it work as a smart home hub, and some of the best voice search I've used on a streaming device, apart from Roku. The streamer officially replaces the Chromecast with Google TV, but it still has the same casting functionality that made Google's original dongle a huge hit. As long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, you can cast media from your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to your TV. That includes casting your screen or even photos from a recent trip to show your family. The interface supports virtually every app you could ever want to stream from, but I particularly like casting the F1 app from my phone because it lets me pick a specific part of the race. This device isn't designed like a dongle like prior Chromecasts, but is more like a set-top box. Place it on your media console, connect it to a power source, and connect an HDMI cable to your TV. The HDMI cable is not included. There's a button on the back to ping the location of the remote if you can't find it. Speaking of, the remote is longer and has a shortcut to access your favorited smart home devices via a Google Home overlay, so you can quickly see who's at the front door or toggle on the lights without hunting for the phone. It's a shame this device doesn't support the newer Wi-Fi 6 or 7 standards, but it's not a deal breaker. Number 3. Roku Ultra. I am a huge fan of the simple Roku interface, as well as the speed and stability that I get when streaming via Roku's apps. Because it is such a popular ecosystem, it has some of the most updated options, which makes for some of the best streaming you'll find. The high-end Roku Ultra was recently updated. It's now faster in both processing and in its internet connection, which makes it an excellent choice for folks who have a nice TV but are tired of dealing with a clunky interface. Looking at you, Samsung. The Roku Ultra supports Chromecast and Apple AirPlay 2 for easy casting from mobile devices, laptops, and tablets, and it supports both Dolby Vision and HDR10+ formats. That means you'll always have the best and brightest colors any streaming app can provide. The built-in voice control on the remote makes it super easy to find apps and shows, and backlit buttons make it easy to find the pause button in the dark. I also love that you can plug in a pair of headphones to the remote so you can listen to your favorite movies without subtitles when the family has gone to bed. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. The second-generation Fire Stick 4K Max is the device you should get if you primarily watch Amazon Prime shows and movies. You can access any of the major streaming apps, but it's obviously tailored to Amazon's Prime content. It has 16 gigabytes of storage compared to the last version's 8 gigabytes, supports Wi-Fi 6E, and is fast and easy to set up and use. Like the last 4K Max, there's picture-in-picture for pulling up security camera feeds or controlling other smart home devices. Alexa is built into the remote too. There's an ambient experience feature that displays and cycles through art or nature scenes when you aren't streaming, and there's a large selection of collections to choose from. Wondering what that painting is? Just ask Alexa to tell you more about it. Number 5. TiVo Stream 4K. Yep, TiVo does streaming now. The Stream 4K uses Android TV, an older version of Google TV. Android TV categorizes recommendations by streaming service, and TiVo has its own menu too, which sorts recommendations based on genre rather than service. You can also search across all services. When we tried it, both Sling and YouTube TV could be integrated into the live TV guide, but now only the latter works. You can still use the Sling app directly, though. There's a Google Assistant button, but no voice-to-text for filling in long emails and passwords. I like the remote, but my finger kept going to the TiVo button instead of the selection button. So while trying to pause a movie, I kept sending myself back to the main menu. That might just be me. If you really hate Roku, it's not bad for the price. Number 6. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen 2023. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K has been one of our favorite media streaming devices since its debut in 2018. The 2023 model adds Wi-Fi 6, a more powerful processor, and more memory than the previous model. All of these changes ensure a responsive experience so you can browse and load content without delay. Thanks to these upgrades, the 2nd generation Fire TV Stick 4K retains its position as one of our favorite media streamers and earns our Editor's Choice Award. Number 7. Amazon Fire TV Stick with Alexa Voice Remote. Amazon Fire TV Stick with Alexa Voice Remote is a compact streaming device that transforms any TV with an HDMI port into a smart TV. It offers access to thousands of apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu, and supports popular streaming formats like Full HD and HDR. The Alexa Voice Remote enables hands-free voice control to search content, control playback, and manage smart home devices. It includes quick app buttons, is easy to set up, and supports Dolby Atmos for immersive sound when connected to compatible systems. Number 8. Amazon Fire TV Cube. Amazon Fire TV Cube, newest model, is a powerful hands-free streaming device with Alexa built in, offering a seamless home entertainment experience. It supports Wi-Fi 6E for faster connectivity and features 4K Ultra HD with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos for stunning visuals and immersive audio. With a hexa-core processor, it ensures smooth performance for apps and streaming. Control your TV, cable box, and other devices hands-free with Alexa. It includes multiple ports for expanded connectivity